Why should homeowners understand basic HVAC terminology? Homeowners should know basic heating, ventilation, and air conditioning terms so they can identify problems, communicate clearly with technicians, and avoid paying for work they do not need. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems control your home's temperature, air movement, and indoor air quality. The furnace or heat pump warms the air, while the air conditioner removes heat from indoor air and sends that heat outside. The thermostat is the control that tells the system when to turn on and off, but the temperature setting is not the same as the system's actual performance. Airflow is especially important because a dirty filter, blocked vent, or closed duct can make the system work harder and raise your energy bill. The evaporator coil helps cool the air, and the condenser coil releases heat outdoors, so both coils need to stay clean. A system's capacity is often measured in tons, but 1 ton does not mean the unit weighs 2,000 pounds. It describes how much heat the system can remove. You can take useful action by replacing filters on the schedule recommended for your home, keeping outdoor equipment clear of plants, and asking a technician to explain any unfamiliar part or charge. A common mistake is choosing a filter only by its highest rating because a very restrictive filter can reduce airflow. Use the strongest filter your system is designed to handle. Another misunderstanding is believing that a larger air conditioner is always better, when an oversized unit can cool quickly without removing enough humidity. Ask whether the system was properly sized for the home. Many homeowners also ignore unusual sounds or short cycling, which means the system turns on and off too often. Arrange an inspection before a small issue damages expensive parts. Finally, never assume a low refrigerant level is normal, because refrigerant is not supposed to disappear. Ask the technician to find and repair the leak. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.